Step-by-step guide to modeling data and telephone systems in Revit. Step 1. Getting started. Open Revit. Fire up Revit and open your project. Project setup. Double-check that your units and levels are correct. Start with a template that includes electrical settings if you have one. Step 2. Bringing in the architectural model. Link the architectural model. Head to the Insert tab and click Link Revit to bring in the architectural model. Coordinate systems. Make sure the architectural model's coordinates align with your electrical models. Step 3. Set up worksets. Open worksets. Go to the Collaborate tab and click Worksets. Create specific worksets. Set up worksets for data and telephone systems to keep things organized. Step 4. Prepare your views. Duplicate views. Copy the floor plans you'll need and create views specifically for data and telephone systems. Rename views. Give these views clear names, like Level 1 Data and Telephone Plan. Step 5. Load families. Load the necessary families. Go to Insert, click Load Family, and bring in the families for data and telephone outlets, jacks, etc. Check parameters. Make sure the families have the right parameters for what you need. Step 6. Place devices. Select Device Family. In the Systems tab, choose the right device family for your outlets. Place the devices. Put the outlets where they need to go on the floor plan, making sure they line up with the architecture. Step 7. Draw pathways for conduits and cable trays. Select Tool. In the Systems tab, choose the Conduit or Cable Tray tool. Draw pathways. Sketch out the conduit or cable tray routes that connect your outlets to the main distribution point. Step 8. Connect the devices. Create electrical circuits. Go to Systems and click Electrical Circuit to create circuits for your outlets. Connect devices. Link the outlets to the appropriate circuits, ensuring everything is logically routed. Step 9. Add annotations and tags. Annotate. In the Annotate tab, add labels and tags for your systems, including device tags and circuit numbers. Use custom tags. If needed, use custom tags to show extra info like outlet types and IDs. Step 10. Make schedules. Create schedule view. In the View tab, click Schedules and pick Schedules/Quantities. List details. Create schedules for your data and telephone devices, listing types, locations, and other key details. Step 11. Check for clashes. Run clash detection. Use the coordination tools to check that your systems don't clash with others. Fix clashes. Adjust placements and pathways to resolve any issues. Step 12. Final review and documentation. Review everything. Do a thorough check to make sure all devices and pathways are correctly placed and connected. Export documentation. Export your plans, schedules, and any 3D views needed for the data and telephone systems. Step 13. Collaborate and share. Share the model. Share your updated Revit model with the team, either through shared files or a common data environment, CDE. Incorporate feedback. Take in feedback from other team members to ensure everything is well integrated and coordinated.